Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel because it's been like years. This is for YouTube. IG, we've been here. So, I am making Mongolian beef. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I will link the link in the description where I got this recipe from. So far in my bowl I have 1 4 cup of wheat gluten, a 1/2 cup mashed chickpeas, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, you can see in the bowl, the gluten is already forming. So I split it into 2 little doughs and it says to roll out. I don't have a dough roller, so we're gonna use this blender. Okay, it is out steaming and we're just gonna let this rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, now that my seitan's cold, I'm just gonna chop it up thinly, like if you were to cut a steak or something. So I'm gonna chop them up real thin because I heard if you do it the thinner, it's more crispier and you could probably get more servings out of it. So like, I'm cutting mine like this. All right, she is all chopped up. You can chop it up however you like. I just did mine a little bit thin like this. Okay, so it didn't say to do it this way, but I'm doing it this way. I put the cut up seitan in a baggie, and they said to sprinkle 2 tablespoons of cornstarch on it to help get it a little bit crispier when you put them in the pan. I'm just gonna dump that in there. This is so messy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So this recipe calls for some rice, but I'm still waiting for some pots to come in the mail because I had to get some new pots and pans. So what I have is some polenta. This is about 140 grams of polenta, so it's only about 100 calories. Really good carbs. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer because 1, your girl's lazy, and 2, I just want to use my air fryer. So I'm gonna pop those in. All right, so I let the seitan just cook for 5 to 7 minutes before I added the sauce in. I just added the sauce. So we're gonna let this cook on medium low heat and let the sauce thicken up. And then I will show you guys the final product. So if you guys don't know or have been following me for a while, I am an Herbalife distributor, so I'm a health coach. So what I do is I recommend certain things for people to take to reach their potential goals, not just weight loss. We are total nutrition. So I do eat other things aside from shake. A lot of people just think all I have is shake and teas. No, your girl likes to eat. I ain't lose 45 pounds just having shakes. That is the key. 2 shakes a day, tea and aloe, that is the key. But your girl loves to eat. So we're making some seitan with some polenta and mixed vegetables and some mushrooms. It's all about keeping, you know, a balanced, clean diet, all that good stuff. But I'm gonna let y'all go and see this final product. Okay guys, here's the final product. I got polenta fries, mixed veggies, and the seitan. This is the beef, the Mongolian beef. I did make mushrooms, but they were burnt, so they did not make the plate.